Stocks stage a massive comeback as oil plummets on hopes the Middle East war is ending. Welcome. This is Daily Market in 3 minutes. Let's dive in Wall Street. The major indexes erased massive early losses to close significantly higher today. The S&P 500 rose nearly 1% to 6,796. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 239 points to finish at 47,741. The Nasdaq Composite climbed 1.4% to 22,696. The Magnificent Seven had a solidly positive day. Nvidia and Alphabet both jumped nearly 3%. Apple, Amazon, Tesla, and Meta all posted modest gains of under 1%. Looking at sectors, healthcare and consumer staples were the defensive winners today. Conversely, travel and cruise lines suffered heavy losses due to the earlier spike in jet fuel costs. In commodities and crypto, Bitcoin rallied almost 5% to $69,000. Gold hit a record high above $5,300 an ounce. Silver jumped 4% to $95. WTI crude oil went on a wild ride, surging near $120 before plummeting to $86. Today's wild market swing was driven entirely by oil and geopolitics. Crude initially skyrocketed on fears of a prolonged blockade in the Strait of Hormuz. But oil reversed course and crashed after reports emerged that the G7 might release strategic oil reserves. The final blow came when President Trump stated the war is very complete. This massive drop in energy costs sparked the late stock market rally. Adding to stagflation fears was the delayed reaction to Friday's jobs report. The U.S. economy unexpectedly lost 92,000 jobs, pushing the unemployment rate to 4.4%. This labor market shock is exactly what sent gold to historic highs as investors sought safety. In corporate news, shares of Hims & Hers Health skyrocketed 41%. This massive move came after Novo Nordisk dropped a patent lawsuit, allowing the platform to offer popular weight loss drugs like Ozempic and Wegovy. In the bond market, the 10-year yield fell to 4.10%. The 10- and 2-year yield spread sits at 31 basis points. The US dollar index rose to 99.29. The VIX fear gauge dropped 13% to 25. Cooling volatility and falling yields gave equities the green light to rally. Despite the afternoon comeback, the CNN Fear and Greed Index plummeted to 21, signaling extreme fear among investors. The market outlook remains highly volatile. Equities could see a sustained relief rally if oil stays low, but stagflation risks remain a major threat to corporate profit margins. For your watch list over the next 7 days, Oracle reports quarterly earnings on March 10th. The critical U.S. Consumer Price Index drops on March 11th. The U.S. Core PCE Price Index releases on March 13th. As always, this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.